Hi everybody, Steve Kanjar here at Team Moving Niagara's latest listing, brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, Peak Performers Realty. Today, we're at 317 Hillsdale, a beautiful family home with 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, double car garage, and a fully fenced yard. And if your new reality in life means working from home, this freshly finished basement has an office, a media room, and a 3-piece bath. Enough talking, let's have a look at this beauty. Whether you're buying or selling a home, or both, your success hinges upon the expert advice and services provided by your real estate agent. My team of realtors and I are committed to providing our clients with professional services based on our experience, knowledge, and skills. We are the agents who specialize in this local market and have the reputation for putting you, the client, first. My name is Stephen Kanjar and I'm the broker of record at Peak Performers Realty. We're looking forward to learning more about you, your needs, and your goals.